Have you ever wondered what's inside the Earth? Well, you're not alone. This age-old question has fascinated scientists, researchers, and curious minds alike for centuries. Our home, the Earth, is much more than just the surface we see and walk on. It's a complex structure composed of several layers, each with its own unique properties and functions. Imagine an onion. Just as an onion has multiple layers, so does the Earth. The Earth's structure can be divided into four main parts: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust, where we live, is actually the thinnest layer. This is the Earth's outer skin, a layer of rock that varies from about 3 miles thick in the ocean floor to about 45 miles thick in mountainous regions. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, the largest layer of the Earth. Composed of silicate rocks rich in iron and magnesium, the mantle extends to a depth of about 1,800 miles. The mantle is not a uniform layer, but is divided into two sections, the upper and lower mantle. The upper mantle, along with the crust, forms what scientists refer to as the lithosphere, a rigid layer that includes all of Earth's tectonic plates. Now let's travel deeper to the Earth's core, which is divided into two parts: the outer core, which borders the mantle, and the inner core. The boundary separating these regions is called the Bullen discontinuity. The outer core, about 1,400 miles thick, is mostly composed of liquid iron and nickel. This molten metal layer creates Earth's magnetic field as it moves and flows. Finally, at the heart of the Earth lies the inner core. Despite the intense heat, the inner core is solid, a ball of iron-nickel alloy about 1,500 miles in diameter. The pressure in this innermost layer is over 3 million times greater than the pressure at the Earth's surface, which keeps the metals solid despite the intense heat. So, what's inside the Earth? It's an intricate tapestry of layers, each playing a crucial role in making our planet what it is today. From the crust that forms continents and ocean floors, the mantle that shapes the Earth's landscape over millions of years, to the outer and inner cores that create magnetic fields and maintain the Earth's rotation. Understanding the Earth's interior not only answers a fundamental question about our planet, but also helps us comprehend why earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur, how continents move and evolve, and even how Earth's magnetic field protects life. So, next time you're standing on a mountaintop or walking along the beach, remember, there's a whole world beneath your feet full of mystery and wonder, waiting to be explored. This is the incredible layered interior of our Earth.